Well, let's take a moment and talk about the technology piece.
Okay.
Which software do you guys use?
We use Propertyware. So, and there's lots out there. And there's Appfolio, there's Yardi, there's Buildium, there's Rent Manager, there's Propertyware, there's Promise, there's a whole bunch. It's really, and we foot the bill for that. So every month we're paying for that. We're paying for other technology to allow us to do showings online, to schedule a showing online. We're the application process as well. That's another piece of the technology that we're using. And we have chosen to not put all of our, I always say, we don't put all of our eggs in one basket. So Propertyware is kind of our core base. It's our database of all of our information for our tenants, our owners. It issues the owner statements. It handles all the billing. It works with our maintenance company on handling some of that billing. A maintenance company has their own software as well. We have inspection software. So there's a lot of things that we do that integrates with our core application because of the open API. So we've taken advantage of that and be able to utilize those different programs. And the reason why the systems that we've chosen has been a lot of research. Sometimes we switch systems because it's technology and we're going with a third-party vendor and we're trying to find the best solution that will be as automated and also easy to use as possible and easy to read. So on the end, for the end user, the UI has to be, if the tenant is trying to schedule a showing, but it's really confusing and clunky, it's not going to work. And it just causes more problems and it's money wasted. So we've basically incorporated all of that into everything that we do on a daily basis. So on average, I can tell you that property management companies use between 5 and 8 different systems that they are utilizing just to run their company. So it's not, and that's what makes us a little bit different, is that we're trying to find always the best technology, be very forward thinking in how we present what we do for our services and how we are interacting with our tenants, communication, whether it be through texting. So we have texting tools in place as well. And we utilize all of that.
Yeah. When you say the 5 to 8 different systems, what do you mean by that?
So we have a showing software. We have texting software. We have maintenance software. So for inspections, we have the core base application, which is Propertyware. And we have application software. I may have said that already. But and then we have our workflow automation. So like some people use with Asana or Trello or Podio or HubSpot. So that's what I mean by workflow automation. So we have something like that in place, and that allows us to be very consistent on everything that we do. So when certain things come in, that whether it's an application or a lease renewal, that process is automated for us, and then it's easy to handle.
Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.